If an employee is doing a specific unique role and it's proposed to delete that role, it may not be necessary to carry out a selection process. However, when employees are doing the same or similar roles and there is, for example, a headcount reduction, a selection process would normally be required. Firstly, it's necessary to identify the appropriate pool of employees from which the selection will be made. If there is a recognised trade union, the pool of selection should be discussed with the union. In establishing the pool, it's necessary to assess factors such as what work is ceasing or reducing, whether the employees are doing the same or similar roles, and whether the employees' jobs are interchangeable. Bumping is when an employer bumps a potentially redundant employee into another role and then dismisses the employee doing that other role. This could include offering an employee in a senior position a junior position and bumping the other person. It could even include transferring an employee to a different type of role. There's no mandatory legal requirement for bumping, but it may be appropriate in certain cases. The selection criteria should, as far as possible, be objective rather than subjective. Criteria could, for example, include performance and skills, which are often split into subcategories, which might be based on previous appraisals and/or an assessment at the time of the selection. Attendance records, but absence for certain periods such as for maternity, paternity leave or disability-related absence should be discounted. And disciplinary records. It's common to give different weightings to the criteria. So, for example, performance and skills could have a higher weighting. Individuals should be given an opportunity to see their scores and understand how their scores have been reached, as well as being given an opportunity to challenge their scores. Ultimately, the key question will be whether the selection process was fair. For more information, do visit my website. Remember that this video is for guidance only and should not be relied upon for specific advice. Also, the law can change. And finally, please subscribe to my channel for updates.